Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0222, indicates a low voltage condition in the throttle position TP Sensor B circuit of the Honda Fit models from 2015 to 2020. The Throttle Position Sensor, TPS, is a crucial component in the vehicle's engine management system. Located near the throttle body, it provides information to the Engine Control Module, ECM, about the throttle valve position. This information helps manage air-fuel ratios and overall engine performance. A low voltage reading can disrupt this process, leading to poor performance and potentially triggering warning lights on the dashboard. The P0222 code must be addressed promptly to ensure optimal vehicle function. The error described by DTC P0222 involves the Throttle Position Sensor B, which operates under the Engine Control Module, ECM system, monitoring throttle positions. The throttle body, where the TP Sensor B is situated, controls airflow into the engine. It converts the driver's input into a position signal sent to the ECM, thereby adjusting the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion. If the signal voltage dips below a threshold of 0.3 volts, the P0222 code is triggered, indicating malfunction. This TPS is integral for detecting various throttle angles and ensuring proper engine response. The TPS connection points include wires leading to the ECM, which continuously adjust engine functions based on sensu feedback. Several potential issues can cause the DTC P0222 error code. Firstly, poor connections at the throttle body or the ECM can disrupt the electrical flow necessary for the TP Sensor B to function correctly. Secondly, loose terminals may prevent a secure connection, leading to signal fluctuations. Another possibility is shorted wiring, particularly in the THL2 line, affecting the voltage readings from the sensor. It's crucial to examine these areas during troubleshooting, since they can be easily overlooked. If multiple sensors indicate failures simultaneously, like DTC P0122, it may suggest a broader issue within the electrical system. Proper diagnosis entails assessing these individual components before proceeding with more invasive checks. When the P0222 code is present, specific symptoms are likely to manifest in the Honda Fit. Common indicators include warning lights on the dashboard, specifically the check engine light, which alerts the driver of a detected problem in the vehicle's systems. Additionally, the engine may exhibit poor performance, such as reduced power output or stalling, which can occur if the TP Sensor B fails to relay accurate throttle position data. Drivers might also notice throttle response issues. The vehicle may not accelerate smoothly, leading to frustrating driving experiences. Understanding these symptoms can provide essential insights into potential underlying issues with the engine's performance, guiding timely repairs. To begin troubleshooting for DTC P0222, start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Next, clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This can help reset and refresh any existing parameters. Then, utilize the HDS to check the current conditions of the TP Sensor B, monitoring its voltage level. The threshold should be no lower than 0.3 volts. If the sensor's output aligns with this threshold, the failure can be duplicated, indicating an actual fault within the system. If not, it may indicate an intermittent issue, urging you to inspect potential poor connections or loose terminals around the throttle body and the ECM. The second step is to determine if there are any other Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, present alongside P0222 by utilizing the HDS. It's crucial to check if both DTC P0122 and P0222 are indicated concurrently. If both codes appear, this suggests potential interrelated issues that might be occurring in the engine management system. On the other hand, if only P0222 is present, proceed to the next troubleshooting step dedicated to isolating the issue. Confirming other active DTCs or the absence of them can help target the specific fault, allowing for a more efficient resolution. Identifying all active codes gives a broader view of the vehicle's electrical system status, leading to accurate diagnostics. For the third troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle to the off-lock mode before jumping the SCS Service Check Connector line using the HDS. This action prepares the system for further diagnostics. Next, disconnect the relevant connectors, specifically the PCM Powertrain Control Module Connector B and the Throttle Body 6P connector. Following this, check for continuity between test points, specifically between terminal number 4 of the Throttle Body 6P connector and body ground. If continuity is found, it indicates a short in the THL2 wire between the PCM and throttle body, necessitating repair. Conversely, if there is no continuity, it suggests the THL2 wire is intact, leading to further diagnostic steps pertaining to the PCM. In Step 4, first ensure the vehicle is in the off-lock mode. Then, disconnect the Throttle Body 6P connector and change the ignition to the on mode to begin testing voltage. Measure the voltage between terminal number 5 of the throttle body connector and body ground. The expected reading should be approximately 5.0 volts, indicating the throttle body is receiving sufficient supply voltage. If this measurement is confirmed, it necessitates replacing the throttle body, as it signifies potential malfunction. This step emphasizes the importance of ensuring all power supply paths are verified to avoid unnecessary component replacements. A comprehensive check aids in maintaining vehicle reliability. For the final troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle to the off-lock mode and, like before, jump the SCS line with the HDS. Disconnect the PCM connector B to prepare for the next test. Again, check for continuity, this time between terminal number 5 of the throttle body connector and number 48 of the PCM connector. If continuity is confirmed, this indicates the VCC3 wire is intact. In such a case, if the PCM does not have the latest software, consider updating it or substituting it with a known good unit and re-evaluating. If the issue persists and DTC P0222 disappears after this process, the troubleshooting can be concluded successfully with the acknowledgement that the PCM was the source of the issue. Once all necessary repairs have been conducted following the troubleshooting for DTC P0222, it's important to verify the effectiveness of the repairs made. First, confirm that the DTCs have been cleared and that no new codes are surfacing. Monitor the vehicle's performance to ensure normal operation is restored, looking specifically at throttle response and engine performance under different conditions. Conduct a test drive to simulate a variety of driving conditions, assessing for any signs of reoccurrence of the error. This step is crucial in preventing future issues and ensuring the integrity of the repair. Thorough testing substantiates the repair process, confirming the vehicle is functioning safely and effectively. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0222 and ensuring long-term functionality of the throttle position sensor and associated systems. Regularly checking electrical connections, especially around the throttle body and PCM, can prevent minor issues from escalating. Updating the PCM software as needed, especially if newer versions are released, is deemed essential for preserving system compatibility and performance. Furthermore, Performing inspections on the wiring harness regularly can help identify frays, shorts, or other forms of wear and tear early on. Instituting these practices contributes significantly to vehicle reliability and performance, making for a safer driving experience overall. In summary, the DTC P0222 indicates a critical issue with the Throttle Position Sensor B circuit, which can significantly impact engine performance and safety. Addressing the DTC promptly is essential to avoid further complications. The troubleshooting process involves a methodical examination of sensor output, wiring integrity, and potential PCM updates or replacements. Inspections focus on ensuring robust and reliable electrical connections, offering a clear pathway to diagnosing and resolving issues. By establishing preventive maintenance measures, especially for the electrical system, Honda Fit owners can enhance vehicle performance and longevity. Awareness and proper actions against these diagnostic complications lead to a smoother and more reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.